Hi, my friends. Arnold Donato here. I'm here to talk to you about an extraordinary program that I was recently introduced to. I want you to imagine with me, just for a moment, that I owed you $1,000. And the way I was going to pay you would be that we would go to the bank. I would request the money from the teller at the bank, and I would simply pass the money on to you. So we walk into the bank. I see the teller. Teller looks with us with kind of a strange and even amazed look. And he says, "Arnold, you haven't watched the 10 o'clock news last night?" No, what's going on? And he actually says that, well, the Federal Reserve has stopped printing money. I can give you your money, but it's just not worth anything. Listen, folks, I'm not here to scare you. I'm just here to have you open up your mind. You see, I'm a big proponent on diversifying one's income so there's multiple streams of income. We don't want to put our eggs in one basket. But today, I'm actually going to move off topic from diversifying income to actually considering diversifying currency. What I want you to also imagine is that the programs that some of you may be familiar with, including programs that some of you may even be part of with me, are very, very powerful in terms of their compensation plans, whether it's a revenue sharing program, a profit sharing program, penny auction. As you know, these programs pay very, very well. I want you to keep in mind, though, that all of these programs are based on a fiat currency and that they will pay you in terms of a certain type of currency. And so what I want you to prepare for is that in the future, in the near future, what if all of those monies that you were depending on, that you are currently using to purchase goods and services, were just not worth anything? So I am part of a program that, just like the programs you or I may be affiliated with, does also have a strong compensation program, if not stronger than what we are already accustomed to. In fact, the program that I would like to talk with you about is one that has such a powerful compensation program that they actually are able to pay you each and every Friday without you even needing to make a withdrawal request. I'm not going to get into the actual way the company gives you the payment, although I will tell you that it's provided to you every single Friday, if you're Central Time at 8:30 and if it's Eastern Time 7:30, religiously, consistently. But to me, that's a lot more powerful than some of these programs that are taking 8 weeks, 7 weeks to pay out. Again, this is one of the programs that I think is hands down the most powerful program that is out there. And to make a long story short, think about the program that you're in currently, or programs that you're in currently, and if those were to go belly up, what are you left with? Probably nothing. Let's take the program that I'm trying to promote to you. Worst case scenario, if this program were to go belly up, what are you left with? I'm talking about the next generation currency, which is gold. Pure and simple, a transportable currency that this company has their own mines. They have their own refineries, which are actually licensed by the London Bullion Market Association. So you're actually able to get refined gold, 999.9%, 24 karat gold, that you can transport with you in your wallet, in your pants pocket, coat pocket. You could move the gold with you. So If you can imagine Microsoft, when the software engineers just started out with that piece of software, Apple to where it was once, Facebook, that's what I'm talking about here, is next generation gold currency, and showing you a powerful compensation plan that actually pays you to save gold, and even more better, shows you how to be paid significantly, quite a bit of money for sharing the program with others. If you're interested, please click on the link below to find out more information. My contact information is there. Looking forward to hearing from you.